In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in HubSpot. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the right place in HubSpot and start a brand new report with confidence. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're in the correct portal if you have access to multiple accounts, and confirm that your user permissions allow you to view and create reports. If you ever see limited options or can't proceed, that's often a sign you need reporting access from an admin. Once you're in, give the page a moment to load fully so all the menus and buttons appear. Next, navigate to the reporting section. Depending on your layout, you'll find this in the main navigation at the top. It may read reporting, or it may appear under a broader reports area, but your goal is to open the reporting menu. If your interface looks a little different due to updates or permissions, use the search bar at the top of HubSpot and type reporting to jump there quickly. From the reporting area, select reports. This brings you to the dedicated space where existing reports are listed and managed. It's a good spot to orient yourself because you can see what's already been created, check ownership, and notice any naming conventions your team follows. This quick scan can help you keep things organized and avoid duplicating work. Now you're ready to start your own. Click Create. You'll typically find this button near the top right of the page. It opens a small menu of creation options. Then click Create Report. This confirms that you want to build a new report rather than, for example, a dashboard or another asset. At this point, HubSpot will open the reporting interface. Depending on your account, you may see options for different report builders or templates. That's normal. You're now in the right place to define what your report will show. Before you dive in, it helps to be clear on the question your report should answer and the data source you'll rely on. Thinking this through up front will save time and make your results easier to interpret later. Once you're here, you can explore the available fields. Consider the time range you'll need, and think about the visualization that best communicates your insight. Take your time previewing results as you go, and keep your report name clear and consistent so teammates can find it later. That's all there is to getting a report started in HubSpot. Log in, go to Reporting, open Reports, click Create, and then Create Report. You're ready to build.